Just one method I can choose, which can be the simplest, easiest, and applicable to all. And just that one method can be spread all over the world.
Which one could be?
It is, I call, witnessing the breath. It is the very simple method. Just in your silent moments you are sitting, or traveling in a train or in a plane, close your eyes and watch your breath. Going in, you go with it. Coming out, you come out of. And as you go in, come out, you will become aware of 2 points. As you go in, there is a small fragment of moment when the breath stops, before it starts moving outward. And the same happens outside. Before it has moved outward, for a split second, the breathing stops. Before it again moves in. These 2 points are very significant, because as you become more and more aware, these points will become more and more bigger, longer. One breath goes in, and then there is a pause. Breathing stops. And in that pause, there is so much beauty, so much bliss. And the same happens outside. Again the breathing stops. And these gaps go on becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. There comes a time which has been calculated for almost 10,000 years and has been found exactly the same by all meditators who have used the method, that the pause is of 48 minutes. You have arrived home. Then all that meditation can give to you will be available to you. Now this is the simplest method that I have found. I have tried all the methods that have been tried down the ages by all the traditions, and I have made my own methods, but this seems to be the simplest, and without anybody knowing about it. Somebody can be sitting by your side and he will not know what you are doing. It need not be done at a particular time. You can do it at any time. You can do it as many times in the day as is possible. Sometimes few minutes, sometimes longer periods, sometimes just for 1 or 2 minutes. Sometimes you are not feeling asleep and you are just lying on the bed. Don't bother about sleep, just do the method. It will do both the work. It will give you a deep meditative silence, and just by doing it, you will only know in the morning when you will wake up that somewhere sleep came in. But the strange thing is, if you meditate and fall into sleep, you will wake up meditating. That means, in a subtle way, in deep unconscious, the method continued. Your whole night became a meditation. Now that is the longest period you can get. And your sleep will be of a different quality. More silent, more relaxed, more rejuvenating.